In this video we will look at how to enable root account in Ubuntu Server. And before we start, this is only for Ubuntu Server and you should not enable root account in Ubuntu Desktop, and it is not going to work. It will work in the command line, but your desktop environment not going to work with the root account. So this is only for the Ubuntu Server. So in this Ubuntu Server I don't have root account enable right now, so what we need to do, log into a user account that has sudo privileges. So here I have a user account called user1 and we will log into that account, and after that what we need to do, run the command sudo -i, and when we press enter it will ask for our own password. So once we authenticate we will be switched to root account, and right now we are inside the root account, and this is how we access the root account without enabling the root account, by running the command sudo -i. And from here, if we want to activate the root account, what we need to do, set up a password to the root account, and using the command passwd, and we will set up a password for the root account here, and that will activate the root account. And that's all we have to do, and we will exit from this session, and now we will directly log into the root account using our new password. And also, if you want to enable root SSH login, you will have to do some configuration, and here we will go to etc ssh directory, and in this directory we have this file called sshd_config, and this is the main configuration file of the SSH server, and we will open this file using vim command, vim text editor. And this file we need to find the configuration called PermitRootLogin, and this one. So we will here press I to go into insert mode, and then we will remove this hashtag to uncomment this line. So right now it is says prohibited, mean can't log into the root account via SSH, and we will change it to yes, and that will allow us to log into the root account via SSH. And then we will press S key to go to command mode, and then type :wq to save and quit vim editor. And after that also we need to restart the SSH server using the command systemctl restart SSH, and now we should be able to log into the root account via SSH too. So let's open a terminal and try to SSH into our Ubuntu server using the root account. So it works now. We can log into the root account via SSH as well. And so that's it for this video on how to enable root account in Ubuntu server.